What's up, you guys? It's Matt with Rolling Wrench. We've got this Honda Metropolitan back here. One's brand new, one is used, but they both don't look too bad. I want to show you an example of a fouled spark plug. So here is our first, this is the original plug that I'm pulling out of it. No spark. Okay, I know that we're getting spark because I can hear it, but it's not coming off the proper area right here. So let me pull that plug out and then put our new plug in and do the same test. See that spark? That's an example of a fouled spark plug. Your engine will not start if you have a fouled spark plug. So even though your spark plug looks good, it may not be good. So you want to check and make sure that all looks good. The reason why plugs foul is if they get flooded with fuel. That's the number one reason. For instance, like if you start your scooter or motorcycle and ride it, it's completely cold and don't give it any time to warm up and ride it around back to put it away, that'll foul the spark plug. Or if your scooter or motorcycle is getting too much fuel, that'll foul it. This one doesn't look too bad. It looks like maybe it was cleaned off. It's not dark or anything, but the spark plug is fouled. Just another thing to look at when your scooter or motorcycle doesn't start.